Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you on how to use Zoho CRM Plus. This site integrates multiple Zoho tools to help you manage sales, marketing, and support and more. So, let's dive in. Now the first step is to set up Zoho CRM Plus. Now before you do that, you have to know that Zoho CRM is a paid feature. That means that you have to pay for it, but you can get a free trial like I did right now and use it for free for a few days. Now, as I said, log into your Zoho CRM Plus account. The dashboard includes CRM, campaigns, desk, and analytic models, among others. Customize your workspace to focus on the tools your team needs most. The second step is to integrate models for collaboration. Use Zoho Disk to manage customer support tickets and link them to CRM records. You can do that here. The third step is to monitor performances across teams. Use Zoho Analytics to create reports and dashboards that integrates uh, data from all modules. Then you can share insights with your team to align efforts and drive results. And that's Zoho CRM Plus in a nutshell. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.